welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a everyday kind of makeup look for people who are on the run in the morning. So it's for those ladies who don't really have a lot of time in the morning to get ready. Like I know it looks like a lot, but I'll explain it in the video, that it really doesn't take that much time. The lashes are definitely optional. So I just love lashes, that's why I have them on. You can definitely get away with mascara, or you don't even have to apply anything on your lashes. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute getting ready in the morning look. This might, so the way I am doing it, it will take a little more than 10 minutes, but as I'm doing it, I'll let you guys know how to do it. So it does take like 10-15 minutes in the morning for you before you're going to work or starting your day out. I take longer. I make sure I wake up early and do my makeup because I feel like if I look good, I feel good. And even when I'm really sick, if I like dress up and I do my makeup, I feel better than just like laying down and feeling bad for myself. So anyways, let's get started. I'm just gonna do my quick everyday makeup look for you guys today. So I already have my moisturizer and everything on, and oh my god, my hands are so dry. I don't know why. I've been washing my hands like all day every day. So I'm gonna start off by applying my e.l.f.'s primer all over my face. Scoop some out. I like to apply it starting from the inner part of my face going out, because this is where you get more oily, and also all the well, at least this is where I get oily the most, and also like mostly your pores are larger around this area of your face. And I like to apply it under my eyes as well. So for foundation, I don't use anything fancy every day. So what I love this foundation. It's a drugstore foundation, but it works wonders. It's the Maybelline Superstay. I love it. The coverage is amazing, and it lasts long if you have oily skin. So I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of this, and with my beauty blender or my sponge, my amazing sponge, I'm just gonna work this into my skin. Do you guys see how much coverage it gives me? It's amazing. And look, I still have a lot of it on the back of my hand. Please ignore these lashes, guys. I really can't do anything about them right now. I'm stuck at home. I can't go have anybody remove them for me. I tried my best. I've been just putting oils on it to remove them. Okay, and then I'm just gonna drag whatever is left onto my neck. Never forget your neck, guys. And for concealer, I've been using this little concealer from Milani. It's Retouch and Erase. I really like this. It's a tiny little thing, but it has an amazing coverage. I'll show you how much I take from this. This is literally how much I take from this. Just take a little bit on the tip of my sponge and apply it under the eye. Whatever I'm using today is mostly drugstore. I probably have 1 or 2 high-end products, but I'm trying to keep it as affordable as I can. So I'm gonna be using the Fit Me loose powder from Maybelline. Believe me, it looks like it's taking time right now because I'm doing it as I'm talking, but when you're doing it and you're just like focusing on doing this, it doesn't take this long. So just pick up a little bit, look up, apply it like so. And whatever is left, I'm gonna apply on the rest of my face to set everything. So now I'm gonna go with e.l.f.'s eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the shade Natural Brown. And I usually use a pomade, but because I want to do a quick look, I'm gonna use this because it's so much easier to do your eyebrows with this than a pomade, because a pomade does take a little more time. So I follow my own eyebrow shape. You can make it thicker if you like or not. You could just stick to your own eyebrow shape. Okay, like that. The same thing on this one. You can leave it there if you want, but I like to personally clean it up. This is an optional step. So I'm gonna go with my MAC's little concealer palette, and I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. Do you see the difference? I'm gonna do the same thing on this eyebrow. And the eyebrows are done. And now to contour, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. So just the angle brush, I'm picking up some of this, tap off the axis, just quickly under the jawline. My forehead a little bit. And feel free to skip this step if you have a chiseled face or if you don't really like contouring. And with a clean brush, I just blend everything out quickly. I use the same thing and I contour my nose quickly. Believe me, if you are fast enough, you can do all this in 15 minutes. It all just needs focus. That's all you need. If you have the focus, you can do it. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend it out. Literally took a minute and it does look pretty good. Now for my favorite blush from MAC. It's Peaches, and I am definitely hitting pan on this, so you can tell how much I love it. The higher you apply your blush, the higher your cheeks are gonna look, and the more lifted your face is gonna look. The lower you wear it, the more droopy and older your face is gonna look. So like, I apply my blush where you would apply your highlighter. So that's how the blush looks. So I'm just wiping away, brushing away the rest of the baking powder. So for my eyeshadow, this is what I use every day. The same thing I used for bronzing and contouring my face. So I just take a little blending brush like this, and I just pick up some of this and just apply all over your lid. It's such a pretty shade. I love it on my lids. Look, it looks so natural. Just like smoke this out, that's all. You can take a clean brush if you have the time and then just blend it out so it looks seamless. See that? That's it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's beautiful. Whoops. I'm gonna apply the same shade with a small pencil brush to my lower lash line. Lash. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy. You guys, I broke this. I'm heartbroken, but I put it back together with some alcohol. So I'm going to just pick up a little bit of this and apply it onto my cheekbones. And then just bring it onto your temples and forehead. And you don't have to go crazy with highlighter for everyday look, but you know I do. And a little on your nose, on your chin, and this literally takes a second. And then I like to take my ring finger and just pick some up, and I go right onto the ear, a tear duct, like that. And I just apply it there. You could also do this, but I don't know, it depends on how much time you have. Pick up a little bit with a brush and just go up like this. And this gives you, I don't know if you can see this, do you see that? It gives you like a really pretty shine. It contours your eyes a little too. So usually I either have lash extensions that I get done professionally, or I have my own lash extensions that I apply at home, or I always wear strip-ons. It all depends on you. I hate wearing mascara. I hate wearing mascara on my top lashes so much. It takes me so much less time to just pop on some lashes and walk out than to apply mascara. So if you were a mascara girl, you can now go ahead, apply your mascara, and your eye look is done. But I like to wear lashes, so I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. So my lashes are on. I could go a little less dramatic with my lashes, but these are my favorite lashes ever. They're from Kiss. They're called Flirt. And for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. I love this. Okay, so I'm just gonna look up and apply this to my lower lashes. And now for lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss from Lorac, and it's called Beauty Queen. I love how pigmented this gloss is. Usually glosses are not that pigmented. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. Very easy, very simple, but you still look very put together and glamorous. This is pretty much what I wear every day. It's I know it might be a lot for some people, but I love makeup, and this is very simple for me in the morning. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Please stay safe. I don't know when the video is gonna go up, but I hope whenever it does, everyone is safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching again. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.